Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Viewers, our today's lesson is related to class 10th, unit number 7, name of the unit, Introduction to Trigonometry. We will start from its definition. The word trigonometry has been derived from three Greek words. The first, teri, that means three, then is gonia, that means angle, and then is metron, means related to measurements. Viewers, if you combine all these three words, you can say that measurement of three angles, as you are clear that three angles are in a triangle, so simply we say trigonometry means measurement of triangle. Hope it's easy to understand. Next is concept of an angle. There are two sorts of simple definitions, one statement in front of you and the next statement. We can define that an angle is defined as the union of two non-collinear rays with some common endpoint. Measurement of an angle. How to measure an angle? One measurement is the degree and the other one is radian. For degree measurement, we divide the circumference of a circle into 360 equal arcs. The angle subtended at the center of the circle by one arc is called 1 degree and is denoted by 1 degree. At power place, there is small circle frame that shows degree. Note some interesting information. 60 seconds make 1 minute, whereas 60 minutes make 1 degree. 90 degrees make 1 right angle and 360 degrees make 4 right angles. You can easily remember these interesting informations. Moving ahead, definition of an angle in standard position. An angle is said to be in standard position if there are 2 points, viewers. One is its initial side is the positive x-axis and the second one is its vertex is the origin. Very simple and clear. Moving to the next. Next we have radian measure of an angle. Definition says the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle is called 1 radian. In the form of diagram, you can draw like as is in your picture. OA is the radius, whereas AP is the length of arc, and the measurement of both is same. Then the angle subtended at the center, that is angle AOP, is 1 radian. Note that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radians, whereas 180 degree is equal to pi radians, 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radians, 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radians, 45 degree is equal to pi by 4 radians, whereas 30 degree is equal to pi by 6 radians. Viewers, this is the relationship between radians and degrees. You can easily remember it. Next we have 1 degree is equal to 3.1416 divided by 180, that is nearly equal to 0.0175 radians. And 1 radians is nearly equal to 180 divided by 3.1416, that is nearly equal to 57.2957, that in degree minute and second becomes 57 degrees 17 minutes and 45 seconds. All these you can remember easily. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Have a very nice time. Hope to see you soon.